Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will see how to convert fractions into percentage. So to start, we will first see what is a percentage. Percentage means per 100. So to convert 5 by 6 into percentage, we will multiply the numerator with 100 and then we will divide it by 6. So let's see if we can divide 100 by 6. 6 ones are 6, we subtract, we get 4, 0 comes down, 6 6 are 36, we subtract, we get 4. So because we are getting a remainder, we will not use 6, we will half it and then we will get 3 and we will half the 100 and then we will get 50. Now we will divide 50 with 3. 3 ones are 3, we subtract, we get 2, 0 comes down, 3 6 are 18, we subtract, we get 2. So because we are still getting a remainder, we will not use 3 and we cannot even half it because it is become a prime number. So we will just multiply the numerator, which is 5 into 5 25, and then we'll put the 0 and then we will put the denominator same, which is 3. Now let's divide it. 250 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. We subtract, we get 1. 0 comes down. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. We subtract, we get 1. Now because we have got a remainder, we cannot write it in a percentage. So we will write it in a mixed fraction first. So to write it as mixed fraction, we will write the quotient first with 1 by 3 and we have converted it into percentage. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 7 by 8. So we will do the same steps. 7 into 100 by 8. Now let's see if we can divide 100 with 8. 8 ones are 8, we subtract, we get 2, 0 comes down 20. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, we subtract, we get 4. Because we are getting a remainder, we will not use 8, we will half it to 4 and then we will half it to 50. Now let's see if we can divide 50 with 4. 50 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, we subtract, we get 1, 0 comes down, 4 twos are 8, we subtract, we get 2. So we are getting the remainder again, so we will half it even more. Now it will become 2 and this will become 25. Now let's see if we can divide 25 with 2. 2 ones are 2, we subtract, we get 0, 5 comes down, 2 twos are 4, we subtract, we get 1. Because we are still getting a remainder and we cannot half this number 2 or the above number, we will simply multiply the numerator 7 into 25. So let's multiply 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 17. 175. So we get 175 and then we will keep the denominator same, which is 2. Now we will divide it. 175 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. We subtract, we get 1, 5 comes down, 15, 2 7s are 14. We subtract, we get 1. So we will write it as a mixed fraction, which is 87 1 by 2%. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 11 by 12. So we will follow the same steps. 11 into 100 by 12. So let's see if we can divide 100 with 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48, 12 5 are 60, 12 6 are 72, 12 7 are 84, 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. we subtract, we get 4. So we will half it even more. It will become 6, it will become 50. Now let's see. 50 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. We subtract, we get 2. We will half it even more, it will become 3, it will become 25. Now, let's see if we can divide 25 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. We subtract, we get 1. Because we are still getting a remainder, we will simply multiply the numerator. So let's multiply 11 into 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, we add 5, 5 to 7 and 2, 275. 275 by 3. Now let's divide 275 with 3. 3 9s are 27, we subtract, we get 0, 5 comes down, 3 1s are 3. We subtract, we get 5 minus 3, 2. Now, we will write it in mixed fraction. So, 91, 2 by 3 percentage. Let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 15 by 20. We will write it as 15 into 100 by 20. Let's see if we can divide 100 with 20. 25s are 100, we subtract, we get 0. So we will cut it 20 into 1 and then 20 into 5. Now let's multiply 15 into 5. Let's do 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 1s are 5. 2, 7. It becomes 75. So we will write it as 75 by 1. Now let's divide 75 by 1. 1 7s are 7. 1 5s are 5. So our answer is 75%. Now let's move on to our next question. Our next question is convert the following into fractions. So we need to convert these percentage into fractions. So to convert a percentage into fraction, we will divide the percentage with 100. Now let's divide. We can divide 45 and 100 by 5. 5 9s are 45 and then 5 20s are 100. Then we can write it as 9 by 20. Now our answer is 9 by 20. Let's move on to our next question. 17%. We will do the same. 17 by 100. 17 is a prime number, so we cannot divide it with any number. So our answer is 17 by 100. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 33 1 by 3%. So to convert a mixed fraction into a percentage or a fraction, we will multiply the whole number with the denominator and then we will add the numerator. So let's do that. 33 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 equals to 100. So our numerator will be 100 and then the denominator will be same. But we will multiply the denominator with 100. Now let's see. We can divide 100 with 100. 100 into 1 and then 100 into 1. Now our answer is going to be, our numerator is 1 and the denominator is 3. Our answer is 1 by 3. Let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 22 1 by 2%. So, we will first multiply the whole number with the denominator. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 equals to 45. Now, our numerator is 45 by the denominator, which is 2. Now, it will become 2 into 100 in the denominator, 2 into 100, and then the numerator is 45. We can divide these with 5. 5 into 20 and then 5 9s are. Now the next step is to multiply. We'll write it as 9 by 2 into 20, which equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1 0 is equals to 40. It will become 9 by 40. So our answer is 9 by 40. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 120%. We will write it as 120 by 100. At the end, we see in the numerator and the denominator there are zeros. So we will cut that 0. Now it is 12 and 10. We can divide 10 with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. We get 6 by 5. So our answer is 6 by 5. Let's move on to our next question. Our next question is 58%. So we will write it as 58 by 100. Now, because both of the numbers are even, we will divide it with 2. 2 into 50 equals to 100, and then 2 into 29 equals to 58. Because 29 doesn't come in the table of any number, we will write it as 29 by 50, which is our answer. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.